Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 4 OV 45. वैष्णवांचे हे माहेर घर, उदारांचा हा उदार, परमार्थ करणाचा अवतार, साराचे सार हा साई. He was the haven of the Vaishnavites, the most benevolent among the benevolent. In bestowing spiritual knowledge, he was the avatar of Karna. Sai is the quintessence of truth. Priti nahi nashivanti, आत्मस्वरूपी रंगली वृत्ती, लक्ष एक परम प्राप्ती, कायते स्थिती वर्णावी. Without any attachment to the perishable, absorbed in his own self, he concentrates on the single goal of the Supreme. Indescribable, indeed, was the state of his being. ऐहिकाचा न उत्कर्षापकर्ष, आमुत्रिकाचा न हर्षामर्ष, अंतरंग निर्मल जैसा आदर्श, वाचा वर्षत अमृत सदा. Unaffected by the worldly abundance or the absence thereof, unmoved by the joys and sorrows of the other world, what is to happen after death, his heart was as pure, clear as a mirror, and his speech showered nectar. राजारंक दरिद्री दीन, जयाचे दृष्टी समसमान, स्वयं ठावा न मानापमान, भूती भगवान भरलेला. The king, the pauper, the poor, and the meek were all equal in his eyes. He was beyond honor or insults. He saw God in every living being. जनासवे बोले चाले, पाही मुरळ्यांचे नाच चाळे, गज्जल गाणे ऐकता डोले, रेसन हाले समाधी. He behaved ordinarily with all people, witnessed the dance and frolic of the murlis, listened to the songs and ghazals, swaying to them with great relish, but his inner state of samadhi was absolutely undisturbed. Allah namachi jaya mudra, जग जागता जया ये निद्रा, जागे जगासी लागता तंद्रा, शांत समुद्रा सम उदर. The name of Allah was imprinted on his heart. He slept when the world was awake. He was awake when the world was asleep. His nature was like a peaceful deep ocean. आश्रम निश्चय काही न कळे, काही निश्चित कर्मा ना तळे, बहुधा बैसल्या ठाईचा न ढळे, व्यवहार सगळे जो जाणे. It is difficult to determine through which ashram or stage of life he was passing, or the exact state of his activity. Very often he did not even move from his seat, but he knew everything that was happening. दरबाराचा बाह्य थाट, गोष्टी सांगे 360, ऐसा जरी नित्याचा थाट, मौनाची गाठ सोडीना. Outwardly, there was a darbar-like grandeur. He talked of 1,001 innumerable things. This was a permanent show arranged by him. But inwardly, he was committed to silence. भिंती टेकुनी उभे असती, सकाळ दुपारा फेरी फिरती, लेंडीवरी वाचावडी सजाती, आत्मस्थिती अखंड. He used to stand leaning against the wall, take rounds in the mornings and the afternoons, going to the Lendi or the Chavdi, but undisturbed was the state of self-realization. न जाणू कवण्या जन्मांतरी, कवण्या प्रसंगी कवण्या अवसरी, केले म्या तप कैशिया परी, घेतले पदरी साईने. I do not know in which birth, at what time, on what occasion, in what way, I performed the penance as the fruit of which Sai took me under his wings. हे काय म्हणावे तपाचे फळ, तरी मी तो जन्माचा खळ, साईच स्वय दीनवत्सल, कृपा ही निश्चळ तयाची. Should I call this the fruit of my penance? But no, I am born sinful. It is Sai himself who is kind and loving, and definitely it is his grace.